Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how aggregate function works with window function in Spark SQL. So this aggregate function and the ranking function are applied on this window function. What is the window? It is a set of rows. To define window, we generally use over clause. So when we want to define a set of row, generally we use over clause, and whenever we are going to use the over clause, it does two things. One is, with the help of a partition by clause, it is partitioning the data based on a particular column. Means similar kind of a record will be present in a single partition. So now when we have done the partition, so we want the data is organized in a particular way in a particular partition. So generally we use order by clause to arrange the data in a partition in ascending order or in descending order. When the partition gets created, then we can use various aggregate function on the data which is present on that particular partition, and the aggregate function will going to calculate based on the data which is present in that particular partition only. So which kind of aggregate function we can use? So couple of them are count, sum, mean, max, average, and these functions are also called aggregate window function. So I am going to perform my exercise. I will show you how this window aggregation function works. So for this I'm creating this table. These are the attributes of the table, and with the help of an insert statement I am inserting some records in this table, and after that I will show you how the aggregation function works with window function. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a table. Not a table, a notebook. Sorry. Windows with aggregate function. So let's first create a table. So I have copied the query from one of my previous exercises where I have just created a table. Attributes are same, that's why I have copied it. Just rename this table. Let's run it. The table has been created successfully. We can validate from here. Okay, I have created in which this is presented. We can validate from here. Let's go to the catalog, and in the catalog we can see what is the name of the table we have given. AP employee source. this one. This table AP employer for window with aggregation. This table has been created successfully in the default database. Now let's insert some records in it. So I've already created the insert statement. Let me copy it and paste in this cell and run it. So Spark is running this insert statement one by one. It will going to take some time. Let's wait till each insert statement run successfully. Okay, all the records are inserted successfully. Let's do a select. Select star from. We can see these are the same records which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Okay, let's go to the PPT. Now, what we are doing in this PPT? Let's talk about this sum, min, max, average, and count. Let's first discuss this one. I am selecting AP name, AP salary, AP state, and we are performing a aggregate function, that is sum. And on which column we are performing the aggregate function? On the column AP salary. And we are creating a window with the help of over clause, and we are partitioning by AP state and order by AP salary descending order. And we are saying this is the running total as in as a alias, and we are just doing this query on this table. So what it will going to do? It will partition the data with the help of this AP state column, and it will do a aggregate function sum, and it will order the data which is present in a particular partition with the help of an order by clause on AP salary in the descending way. So let's see, whenever we are going to write or execute this query, which kind of output it will going to generate. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's write the query. Select AP name, then AP salary, and then AP state, and then we are performing a sum we are performing on the top of AP salary, and we are doing a we are creating a window set with the help of an over clause, and in the over we are partitioning the data based on the AP state and ordering the or ordering the data in a partition by AP salary column in descending order, and giving a alias as AP running total from, what is the name of the table? Name of the table is this one. Let's format this cell. Now run it. This is the running total. We can see the total would, this is the salary of, this is the one. Let's talk about this partition. This is the one partition, right? What it is doing, this AP running total, what it is doing, first is it is taking this one, and in the second time in the subsequent row it will going to, it is adding this one and this one. That's why this is the total salary. And again in this it is adding this one, because these are the three records which are present in a single partition, because partitioning we are doing with the help of a AP state. Let's do some other aggregate function. So what I'm just doing, I'm just copying this query, because most of the things will be same. That's why I'm just copying it. So copy it and paste here. Let's make it here min, and let AP min salary. Copy it again. Let make it as a max. Rename this alias as max salary. Copy it again. And let's take it average. AVG average, and here just rename it AVG. Now run it. So we can see here AP salary, AP max salary, and AP average salary. So what it is doing here, it will partition the data with the help of AP state, and from that partition it will just figure it out what is the minimum salary. Here it is partition the data, it is partitioning the data with the help of AP salary here, so AP state, and from that partition it is just fetching what is the maximum salary. Here it is partition the data with the help of AP state, and it is calculating the average salary of that particular partition. So these are the data which we are just sum, min, max, and average. So in this exercise, we have seen that how we can perform the aggregate function with window function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.